All right. Welcome back, trader. It's Teamwitherving. Welcome to our pre-week analysis. Today, we are gonna be going over to our pre-week analysis in Forex trading the week of November 16 to the 20th. So this is our pre-week analysis. So in here, I select only 4 pairs the 4 different traders has asked me to analyze. I want to give a shout out to Tom Folta for asking me to analyze NCD Canadian, and then I want to shout out to Lake for asking me to analyze AUD USD, Euro USD, and unfortunately I forgot the other person that asked me to analyze silver. Since I don't remember your name, so hopefully you will comment below so I can go ahead and put it on tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be the full week analysis for the week of November 16 to the 20th. All right, so here we are going to be trading our multiple time frame system. There is any other system than just multiple time frame system. So let's go ahead and start working on this one. So in here, we're going to go ahead and start, guys, with our Euro USD. Pay attention what Euro USD is doing, guys. I think this pair is going to be very nice movement this coming week. A multiple time frame here is letting us know the market is in a sell position. By the way, if you are new here watching us for the first time, let me go ahead and, or you, even if you're not new, so let me go ahead and give you one of the most important thing that I think everyone should know, which is the following, guys. You must know what is our Forex disclaimer here. Our Forex disclaimer is that I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. Wait. And what? I didn't hear you. What are we here for? And to collect hundreds of pips. That's what I love to do best. So that is me, guys. So this is very interesting. Before I move on, let me go ahead and type this. I feel so good. People not asking me, Irvin, are you still trading this system? Are you still trading? No. Guys, I have moved on my own. So now I'm only trading. We are trading multiple time frame system. Link is below, or if you don't want to click on the link below, then you can find us on our website, www.twforexsystem.com. all right, so that is where I am right now. So pay attention how simple it is to use our system. There's no magic here, guys. When the system come in and tell you, oh, I'm in a sell, oh, I'm in a buy, oh, I'm in a sell, oh, I'm in a buy again. Pay attention. I don't know what kind of system you may be using. Pay attention if Euro USD is telling you the market is selling right at this level here. If not, come and join me. Look at here. Everything is telling you, Irvin, we are selling. What are you doing? Well, I have to sell. So this is what I think the market is going to do, guys, on this particular pair. Euro USD is giving us an amazing setup, telling us, okay, Irvin, the market, it will come down, retesting our 38.2 Fibonacci line. From there, market is going to do a small retracement, a small PV, coming back to the 50 to the golden area and Fibonacci. From there, market will do what it does best, which is boom, it will drop as a bearish. What do you think? You agree with me or disagree? Let me know. You need to comment below. I'm here live for you. And I'm doing this because I want people to make money. But remember, guys, this is not signals. These are not signals. This is for educational purpose. If you don't have the system and you want to grab it, come and join us, and then you can compare and see if what I'm saying is accurate. But comment below. That's where I am. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to our next pair of the day. Remember, we are trading the week of November 16 to the 20. Tomorrow, Sunday, I'm going to come up with a new analysis. If you want me to analyze any of your pair, please comment below, because that I can go ahead and put it on tomorrow, and I'm going to give you a shout out as well. All right. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. The next one is gonna be USD. These two pairs for Lake, it was the one who asked me to analyze EURUSD and AUDUSD. Now this is what I think AUDUSD is gonna do, guys. To be honest, pay attention. And here, what is our brothers and sisters telling us here? It's telling us the market is in a sell position. It's selling. You see it here, market is dropping currently. Boom, look at that. Now pay attention what this guy is doing, because this is very important. This guy here, it is doing a PV. But overall here, guys, the market is in a downtrend. So this PV here is temporary. It's not like it's gonna be here for a berry. I think I messed up my drawing, gosh. I forgot that if I move to any larger time frame when the market is closed, it will take off my analysis. But that's not a problem. So this is what we're gonna do. We are gonna redo it again. This is what I think the market is gonna do, guys. Let me know in the comment below if you think the market may do a different thing than what I'm telling you. In my opinion, this is what the market is gonna do. The market from this point here, basically, is in a nice area right now. So from here, market will continue back down, right? And then market will do a small retracement, right? This is me, guys. This is what I think the market will do for this coming week. It will come back here, and then finally the market, boom, will drop. What do you think? This is for Lake. Hopefully for Lake I did answer your question. And let me go ahead and give you the next pair. This pair came in from Tom Fulton, which is he asked me to analyze NCD Canadian. So hopefully this will answer your question as well. So this is what I think NCD Canadian is doing. This is gorgeous, guys. Pay attention what our multiple time frame is letting us know here. Look, it's telling the urban. We are selling here. What should I do? What you should do? Well, I have to follow the direction. I have rules that I trade. So now pay attention what the market is doing in this area, guys. Look, market here is giving us a PV, right? So overall here, guys, market, what do you think the market is doing in this present time? Market is giving us a bullish position, right? It's going against this brothers and sisters here. So in my opinion, guys, this is me. So let me know if you think otherwise. Market is most likely, this is what is going to happen. You know, let me correct this live with you. Market still gonna be pushing a little bit up, maybe 1 or 3 more candles here, making this stronger. From this area here, maybe it's gonna create, maybe one here, another one here, and then boom, it's gonna give us in here a new red arrow, right in here. So from that particular area, the market will do the following. Well, will drop. Then it will do a small retracement, coming back to these levels here again. And then, boom, market will continue in a downtrend. What do you think? I think this is good, guys. This is good. I think this pair is going to be very nice. Pay close attention to the rules, to my team. If you're not part of my team, there's nothing I can do. If you guys want to join our Go membership, guys, and you're not ready to grab the system, go through the one-on-ones that are in there, guys. That every one-on-one that I record is posted in there. Come and take a look at it. Or if you want to grab our multiple time frame, the link is below. Or either go to our website, www.TWEForexSystem.com. Alright, so you can create an account in there and then download the system yourself. If you have any question, once you do that, send me a private message. Then all the description is in there. So hopefully, this is for Tom Folta. Hopefully, Tom, this makes sense. Let me know in the comment below if I did answer your question, because sometimes that's the only way that I know that that I'm doing my work, my best of best. So, all right, so let's go ahead and analyze gold, guys. This is gold. Nobody asked for gold, so but I did wanted to put it in here. I remember last week I gave you gold. I told you right from here the market was gonna drop, and boom. And actually, I told you I think the market was gonna drop somewhere in here. Then it was gonna do a small retracement and then continue back down. But look at how amazing the market paid. Look, guys, this is amazing. Go back. I don't know what system you are using if you are watching us for the first time, but go back to your system. Your system should tell you that here, look, it gave us a first signal here, and then it gave us our magic arrow with our brothers and sisters as well, and then market drop. Look at this guy. This guy is giving us a PV. It's gorgeous. It's telling you I'm in a buy. You tell me if it's not buying. Look at right now. Market is in a buy. Boom, it's going up. Now, pay attention real time, because I like to teach reality. Real time is all it matters in here. Pay attention what our 4 hours multiple time frame is doing here. Look at this one. Boom, guys. This guy represent, what do you think this represent here? Well, let me help you. Guys, please comment below. So most likely I answer it in writing your questions, so don't think I'm ignoring you. I just want to concentrate on what I'm saying here. But this is what the market is doing here, guys. The market is doing a continuation of the trend right in this area here, because at the end of the day, gold is in a sell position. Gold is not in a buy position. So gold is gonna drop all the way, retesting our 50 to our 61 Fibonacci line. From there, we'll do a small retracement, come back to the golden area on Fibonacci to our 50 level. From that level, boom, market will be doing a continuation of the sell. This is what I always remind you guys. Please, you need to master this rule. PV equal BV. Okay, that is pullback equal bad business. Do not get fooled, because you are gonna fail. Well, you're gonna blow your account if you think the market's still gonna be in a buy position. The market, it's not in a buy position. All right, so hopefully this makes sense here, guys. I think this analysis is pretty accurate. The month of November so far, guys, so we had lost 4 trades out of 24 that we had analyzed. So it's a damn pretty good number, guys. We still, my philosophy here is always to hit 75% winning ratio, and I think we are doing it. So 4 out of 24 is not a bad deal, guys. So come and join our multiple time frame if you finding value of this one. Please don't forget to comment below, guys. Let me know what kind of pairs you want me to analyze it for tomorrow. You have all day today, so tomorrow when I come into the office, I'm gonna go ahead and write it down. So most likely I'm gonna analyze tomorrow only 6. I want to reduce it to 10 instead of giving you 12, because it's a lot of work behind scenes, to be honest. And make sure you destroy the like and share, guys. That helps the algorithm of this channel. It motivates me to give you more contents in the near future. So we're gonna come back on Wednesday. We're gonna reanalyze what I'm doing today, and then we're gonna reanalyze what I'm gonna be doing tomorrow, and then we're gonna put it on the test, and hopefully we all hit this as a home run. To be honest, I like to teach you guys only real time what is going to happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But do not forget to check what the news are going to be doing this coming week, guys. I always recommend my FX book, which is a very good app. Please check that out. It's very good. All right, so do you guys have any question, guys? Any question? Make sure you share this. We are trading multiple time frame system. Link is below. You can find us on www.tweforexsystem.com. All right, so I think that's all I have for you guys today. So hopefully everything is making sense. Thank you again for coming in, guys. I will see you tomorrow is November 15, 2020, and when we're gonna come back on Monday, start making some pips. So just to give you a heads up, guys, someone sent I did a training with my team behind scenes, and we are gonna be meeting this Monday at 9:30, 9:45, so probably like around 10 a.m. when we're gonna be analyzing the market live. So make sure you like and subscribe so you will not miss what is coming on Monday. And then we're gonna come back on Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. So we are pretty active here. So remember, this is the pre-week analysis for November 16th to the 20th. Thank you guys very much for coming in. God bless you and God bless the United States. Thank you guys, and stay safe. Enjoy your family, and I'll see you later. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Teamwitherving is on fire.